So now let's get into the installation part. So if you're using Kali Linux, it's pre-installed on there, and I guess most security distributions got it pre-installed. Anyways, if you're not using Kali Linux, I got you. Here are the commands needed for you to install the harvester. All right. Once you do that, you will get it installed. All right. If you're on Kali, no need to worry. We got it installed already. All right, guys. I launched my terminal. Now I'm gonna type in the harvester. All right. As you can see, we got loaded into the harvester prompt. All right. So now if you actually type in the harvester -h, you'll get a more detailed help option. All right. So let's quickly go over them. All right. So the -d specifies the domain name that you want to search for. The -l specifies the number of search results. So you can minimize the number of search results. And you can use Google Docs, of course. You can especially use Shodan. And you can do a lot of stuff. -f saves your file. -b is the source. It's really important. So basically, the source is the option that lets the harvester search for the domain name you want to search for. All right. And so let's dive into an example right now. All right. So I'm gonna type in the harvester and -d for domain. I'm gonna specify, for example, let's try and do bugbounty.com. And the -b for the source, you can specify Google, for example, and Bing, but there's an option that's called all, which searches and uses all the available search engines that the harvester supports. I really like to use this command. Let's just wait for it to finish. By the way, we'll talk about these API keys and how you can set them up. I already set up my Shodan API key. By the way, the harvester sometimes doesn't give you the full results, so you can try again in a different day, or in the same day, or try again multiple times, you know. It's a really powerful tool. As you can see, it's searching using DuckDuckGo, Sublister, and VirusTotal, DNS Dumpster, Netcraft, URL Scan. It really saves time sometimes. Let's just wait for it to finish. Alright guys, as you can see, the scan has finished, and it took a lot of time because we specified the all command. It's fine. As you can see, these are the IPs of the website bugbounty.com that it found. That's an IPv6. And these are the things that it found. Like I said, sometimes you might not get accurate results from the first time. So let's test it out. For example, using Bing only, and I'm going to specify the limit is 10. Let's see what we get. All right, no emails found, nothing. So you can, for example, try, let's say, example.com. Let's see what we get. All right, that's a subdomain for the example.com. As you can see, we found it. So if you're running a game, sometimes you might get different results, but it's really powerful and comes in handy. Let's try my website. I want to see my website. Let's see what we get. All right, one IP found, which is Cloudflare, and let's give it one more try, and let's specify Google in this case, and the limit, let's just keep it 300, for example. And in here, I'm gonna specify zsecurity.org, for example. Let's see what we get. Let's just wait for it to finish. Alright, we didn't get any results, it's totally fine. You can try different websites. I actually tested it on a website before this video, and I got a lot of results. So basically, in general, you will get results. You would give it multiple tries. It's totally fine. It's really powerful, guys.